not open this. Do not open this. $20,000. Wait, no. Are you guys fucking trolling me or no? Brother, this is sealed. Why would he send this? Pokey Collector Rand, first time chatter in the chat, said, nah, open it. Is this your box, bro? Yo. Bro, why would you send this? Mega Evolution, perfect order. Why would you send this? Bro, this is way too expensive. What? $20,000? It's like $200, you idiot. So I'm an idiot for reading my idiot chats, idiot messages. Wait, that actually makes sense. Okay, wait, that actually checks out. Guys, people are saying to not open these because they're sealed. Bro, what are these actually worth, chat? Do we know? Bro, if that's actually worth 20 grand, that is the most expensive fan mail I've ever gotten in my life. Bro, it's 20K minimum. Yo, bro, there's no letter in here. Bro, he just sent $20,000 worth of Pokemon cards and then didn't send a letter. Who is that? Jeff Bezos? It's not 20K. All right, chat. Y'all.